How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe and preparing for your board exams. Students, today I give you one more essay. The topic of that essay is cinema, its merits and demerits. Students, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि हम जब ऐसे लिखते हैं तो हमें किन किन पॉइंट्स को ध्यान में रखना है और किस तरह से हमें ऐसे जो है वो लिखना है. So the first point of essay, we give the introduction. Now, introduction of cinema. Cinema is one of the most popular forms of entertainment. Thousands of people go to see cinema every day. It connects people to society. It is in fact a mirror of the society. So students, here this one is the introduction of cinema. Now, second point is inexpensive. The biggest advantage of cinema is that it is not expensive, therefore it has access to all sections of society. The combination of audio and visual presents lifelike picture before the audience. This is one of the major factors contributing towards its popularity and appeal. Now the third point is educative. Cinema can serve as a means of spread awareness among masses. Documentary films have direct educative purpose, while other films can also play an important role in carrying out propaganda against social evils, inculcate values, create awareness of rights and duties. Here the third point is educative, how it helpful for education. Commercial, fourth point is commercial. Cinema has a great commercial value. It has emerged as an industry. It provides employment to thousands of people and gives them a chance to exhibit their talent. This industry has emerged and taken roots of regional level also. Now the fifth point is disadvantage. Here in the previous points we see the merits of cinema, but now here the disadvantages. But cinema has certain disadvantages of its own. Its results are long-lasting and far-reaching. First is bad effects on the youth. Certain bad characters shown in the cinema affects the minds of youth, and often they start smoking, drinking, gambling and taking drugs. Some of the vulgar scenes, dresses and dialogues affect the character of young boys and girls who were swayed by them. Wastage of time and money. Spending time and money on cinema frequently is nothing but wastage. Cinema is means of recreation, but making a habit of going to cinema at the cost of other important works is undesirable. Effect on eyesight. Cinema can affect eyesight badly. The habit of going to cinema regularly may spoil the eyes, especially children should not be allowed to see much of it. Eyesight once lost cannot be regained. And at the last and the main point is conclusion. Cinema has its own merits and demerits. Films are made for entertainment of all sections of society with a view to make money. It is up to the people to differentiate between good and bad. They should learn what is good and discard what is bad for them. Besides, watching cinema in excess is always harmful. So students, here in everything there are two sides, merits and demerits. So here we discuss about the merits and demerits of cinema. So you have to write this essay in your notebook and learn it.